Dun 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 dun. Are you watching the Mike Poirier Star Wars Room Show? I know you are, because you just can't get enough. Dun 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 dun. Are you going to the front lines? Maybe you are. Hopefully, they'll accept. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Dun 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 dun. 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 Are you watching the trailer? Here first on the Mike Poirier Star Wars Room Show? Maybe you are. Get with the times. 22 Free Earth. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. No copyright intended. It is all for fun and information purposes. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ooh, every generation has their legends. Every story has a beginning. Stay hidden. And every has. Isn't it beautiful? Don't you just love it? Come on, copyright. Strike me down and I shall become more powerful than you can possibly imagine.
Jedi cannot help what they are. Their compassion.
No copyright intended. Blah, 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 blah. Because Disney, I give you enough money. But I know somebody else gives their money away. Maybe a whole collection's worth. Front lines. Go to the front lines. Please go. You can save all the grandparents. Yes, you can. Smoke another one. And don't forget to tune into the Mike Poirier Star Wars Room Show, May 25th. That's a beautiful Disney Plus. Click. Thank you for that wonderful reaction to it all. Thank you, Disney Plus, for that fine entertainment purpose. Now, back to the Mike Poirier Star Wars Room Show. Coming soon. And don't forget, put the dots together, people. Start watching Star Wars Rebels. You'll learn so much. Do you think Dave learned nothing from George Lucas? That's all. A certain point of view.
Look what has become of you. A rat in the desert.
Again, no copyright intended. But if you need to, slap it, Disney. All I need.
Simply to hide. You have a purpose here. Perhaps you have protecting someone.
If you're seeing this here first, Congratulations! There's lots you need to catch up on.
Is it just you?
Dun, 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 dun.
He will avenge us.
Oh, Darth Maul dies. He's killed so much to be buried in the desert of Tatooine.
I'm coming, MtfbwU.
Dun 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 dun. All credits go to Disney. Blah blah.
I've carried so much hate for you. That doesn't look good. It's him.
Dun 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 dun.
You have failed me, Inquisitor. Avengers! Run! No!
Everybody wants to see Cal in this latest edition of Obi-Wan.
Yeah. Probably. Surrender. We gotta run! Look out!
The next generation of Jedi.
The Empire will be after him. Just like they're after us.
The lives of every child on that list will be forever changed.
Not by us.
By the will of the Force.
Their destiny should be trusted to the Force. So where to now?
Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun na 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 na. Thank you, fellow YouTubers. Check them out. Great content. And that's been the Mike 48 Star Wars Room Show. Remember to hit that bell and the subscribe. Dun 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 dun. Do 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 do.